Everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel again. So in this particular video we're gonna learn about some of the interviews questions that are frequently asked in SQLs, and we're gonna cover some of the basic questions. We're gonna cover about some difficult question. We're gonna cover about some intermediate question in the SQL that are particularly asked in big companies. So yeah, so let's start at this topic. So first of all, we are dealing with two tables here. The first table called department and the second table is employee. So I will put all the codes in the description, otherwise I will upload this whole code in my GitHub account and I will link that in my description, so you can go and check out from there. So particularly we have two table, as I mentioned you, department and employee. So let's for creating the table, you know the basic syntax. I don't have to I'm not particularly here to tell you about how to create tables and how to insert the data inside the table. If you don't about that, just go and follow my playlist for PostgreSQL. There I have explained everything about, I have explained all the concepts there. So if you don't know about SQL, go and see my playlist of SQL, and I will put that link in the description also. So let's see. So first let's see what are the data inside a department section. So in the department section we have something called department ID 1 and 2 and department name, IT and sales. So yeah, so let's see about employee. And if we see about employee, we have, let's do it bit bigger here so that you can see here. So we have almost, I think, 8 on around, yeah, 9. We have 9 datas here, in which we have from 2002, we have something IDS 2002 2003 to 2010, and we have first name, last name, gender, position and department, and salary here. So let's see, that's what is the our first question here. So in this first question we're gonna return the employee record with the maximum salary. So we have to return the maximum salary and we have to return the employee detail of that. So it's very simple, and very simple command, like you can just type select star from, select star means everything, select star from employee, select star from employee where salary equals to, here we are using nested conditions here, like if salary equals to, or otherwise in place of equals to, you can use in also, in operator in. So select star from employee where salary equals to or salary in, select max salary from employee. So if it will return the max salary in, it will be feed it into this part. So this will print salary equals to, so it will print everything inside this employee data where we have max salary. So as you can see that we have for Stacy Jacobs, we have uh, it's department 2, and we have something, this is the maximum salary here, 7.3, and it's around 4 zeros, right? 4 zeros, yeah. So we can use another technique also for, like there is a one basic technique where we try to use select statement and we try to do the nested condition. In order to do the same thing, we can do here select start from employee, order by salary. So we can order by salary in the decreasing section, so that the first one will be the maximum salary. And why this one is much better than this, because if you want to print in the next question, we have to print the second best salary, like second maximum salary. So we will learn about what is the difference between limit and what is the difference between offset. So there is a particular term there, keyword is limit and offset. So first let's, what's the limit? So limit is the amount of data we have to print in the particular row. So limit equals to 1 means for the first only one row we have to print, and we are like decreasing order buying this salary by decreasing order, so that we can get the top salary here, top maximum salary, and we are printing all the details of that particular employee. So if I run this code, and we will get the same result here, as you can see that. So as I have said you about the second maximum salary, so this is the most frequently asked question in the interview. Write the query for the second maximum salary. So if I want to do so, I can do one thing here. So the basic people like this approach by this one, by using the nested query here. So select maximum salary from employee where salary, select maximum salary, you have to print the maximum salary from the employee where salary not in. Here not in means it will not take the maximum salary, and in order to do so it will go inside this nested query, and it will check select maximum salary from the employee. So it will select the maximum salary and it will not take that part, and it will take the next second salary. So sometime it works, and sometime if by any condition something changes, so it might fail. Sometimes queries fails also. So yeah, but here you can't fill here, as I mentioned you about the limit and offset. So offset is something like how much you want to give a gap throughout. Like if I want to print the second column, so if I will print offset equals to 1, then it will skip the first row and will print the second row. You understood me, right? Yeah, you will understand me more if I run this query. So select salary from the employee, where order by, we are doing the same thing, order by salary and decreasing. So we are ordering the salary by decreasing, and limit equals to 1. So only one row we have to print here, and offset equals to 1 means we are skipping the first row, in order to get the second maximum salary. You got it, right? So yeah, let's as you can see that, let me first print this one, set maximum salary. So what we get here, so we got 990 and 3 zeros here. So let's run this command, second one, and here we got the same answer. So yeah, I feel this is the better one. You can go with limit and offset here, and I have cleared the two basic concepts of limit and offset. So let's go to third question. So we have to print the ranges. So ranges are basically between. So whenever this particular words come, just blindly use this between here. So I'm trying to select star from employee, where employee ID is between 2004 and 2006. So if I run this, all the employees having details like ID having 2004, 2005 and 2006, it will be printing all the details of that. And other method is like you can print by using operators also. Select star from the employee, where employee ID is greater than 2004 and employee ID is less than equals to 2006. And here the IDs are integers, so that's why we can use the operator, but if it is in string, so we can't use this operators here anymore. So it is giving me the same answer here. So let's move to the next question. The question number 4 is we have to return employee name, highest salary and the department. So if in order to do so, let me see what I have to print. First of all, we have to print here in question number 4, we have to print employee name. So employee name is first name and second name, I can print that. And highest salary I have to print, so highest salary I can get from here. But department, I have department ID, but I don't have. If I drag it bit so that you can see, okay, wait for me. See here, we have department ID, we don't have department name here. So in order to get, so we have to reference the another table that is linked by this table by mean of department ID, that's called foreign key there. So yeah, I will use inner join here. So as I have mentioned you, inner join is a very important join here, and I have made the video regarding this. If you don't know about the inner join, you can go and check out my SQL playlist there. So select E. So E is nothing called, it's a referencing object here. So I am giving employees table as E and department table as D. As you can name that, it's a simple name here. So I'm E is first name is in employee table, so E dot first name, last name is also in employee table, so E dot last name, E dot salary, and D is in department table, so D dot department name. From employee E, inner join department on what I have to do. So I have to do on E dot department ID equals to D dot department ID, where salary. Now this is the join part. So till this maximum, if you see that, this is the join part, and now this one where salary, this part is the maximum salary. We have to take the highest salary here. As you can see that we have to take the highest salary. So where salary equals to, now we are using again the nested query, select max salary from the employee. Otherwise we can use the same thing here. As I have mentioned you, we can use select start from employee, order by salary, decrease, and limit equals to 1. We can use this one also, but we are, for the sake of simplicity, we are using this. Let me run this command again here, and here as you can see that this is the guy having maximum salary here, and it is from sales department. So yeah, the last question is return the highest salary, employee name, department name for each department. Like we have to print the maximum salary from the each particular department here. Like from the sales, we have maximum salary as Jacob. We have to print another, if we have another department like IT department, what are the maximum salary of that particular guy in IT department. So we use the same thing till here ID. See, as you can see that till ID we are using the same command, and in front of that we are using where salary in, as I have mentioned you, in place of equal to you can mention in also. In now we are using select max salary from employee, then using group by, so that we can take all the department from where, like for what you are using group by, for grouping by department ID, so that we can take all the department ID and we can group group together. So by sales and IT we can group together and we can print what the maximum salary in particular department. So let me run this command. So if I run this command, I can get here. So this is the guy, his maximum salary in sales, and this is the particular guy having maximum salary in sales IT section. So yeah, that's all for this video. We have covered 5 important interview question for SQL, and this is the part 1 of our SQL interview question. I will be coming back with another like all the different videos also, and we will be uploading all the upcoming series for the SQL interview. Stay tuned, and if you haven't subscribed my channel, go and subscribe my channel. Meet you in the next video. Thank you and have a nice day to all. Bye.